Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is roast chicken with garlic, lemon and thyme. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. This is a family favourite, very simple and very tasty. Hope you enjoy it. First we prepare the butter. Put the lemon halves and chicken to one side, put the remaining ingredients into a bowl and thoroughly mix together. How hard can that be? Next we prepare the chicken. Using your hands, separate the skin from the flesh wherever possible, on the legs, the breast and anywhere else you can reach. Then simply spoon in the batter mixture between the skin and the flesh, pressing it down and smearing it around as best you can. When this is done, massage any remaining butter mixture over the outside of the chicken skin. Place the two reserved lemon halves inside the cavity, then it's off to 180 degrees C oven for 110 minutes, or until the internal temperature of the chicken is 75 degrees C. I use a probe for this. Hope you enjoyed this tasty but simple recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Maybe we'll see you soon again sometime. Bye for now.